If you are curious about how I have kept my MacBook Pro M4 battery health at 100% for over a year, I'll share my daily charging habits, usage routine, and tips. I bought my MacBook Pro on March 11, 2025, and today is March 12, 2026, exactly over a year. The battery has 60 cycles, is in good condition, and still has a maximum capacity of 100%. I use my Mac for about 6 hours a day for work, research, creating tutorials, watching the news, and sometimes shopping. Usually, I have 4 or 5 apps open, including Microsoft Word, Pixelmator Pro, Safari, Google Chrome, ChatGPT, and Copilot. I also run a few background apps, including a firewall, an antivirus scanner, and other utilities. My MacBook power adapter is connected to a power strip with an on and off switch. Around 11:30 p.m., I turn off the outlet switch so the MacBook is not connected to power overnight. Occasionally, I forgot, but most of the time I follow this routine. Before I start using my Mac the next day, I check the battery level in the macOS menu bar. If the battery level is above 80%, for example 85 or 87%, I continue using the MacBook on battery power until the charge drops to around 75%. Sometimes I forgot to check and the battery may drop to 65%. At that point, I turn on the outlet switch, so the MacBook begins drawing power from the adapter. It then stays connected to power until around 11:30 p.m. Every 3 months, I allow the battery to charge to 100%. This helps the battery management system in macOS estimate the battery level accurately. It also ensures that the battery can still reach full capacity when needed. It's recommended to keep a MacBook battery charge level between 20% and 80%. This is important because it helps reduce battery aging and chemical wear in lithium-ion batteries. It is perfectly fine to charge to 100% when you need the longest possible battery life, such as when traveling or working away from a power outlet. Some Mac users install a third-party app that automatically limits charging to 80%. However, if you are using macOS Tahoe 26.4, the update introduces a built-in battery charging limit. This new feature lets you stop charging your MacBook battery at 80%, which can help extend its lifespan. You can still charge to 100% whenever you need maximum battery runtime. By the way, if you find this video useful, please consider giving it a like. It really supports the channel and motivates me to create more tutorials for you. Thank you. In brief, to keep my battery at around 80%, I use the built-in charge limit feature in macOS Tahoe 26.4. Before that, I used a third-party app. Almost every day, I let the battery drop from 80% to 70 or 75%, then turn on the power strip to start charging and switch it off around 11:30 p.m. Every few months, I charge it to 100% to help keep the battery readings accurate. Although modern macOS manages this automatically, and no matter how careful you are, battery health will naturally decline over time. There are also other effective ways to extend your MacBook's battery life. Here are my 10 tips. Please watch it at the end or access the link in the description box below this video by clicking on More. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.